Calories are Jewish? Wow, this is new. I mean, I've seen a lot of anti-Semitism going around recently, but I was unaware that Zionists created energy, I guess. If they created energy, that's actually quite the flex, you know, since we need energy to literally run everything. Anyways.
But calories don't exist. It's a complete lie.
Oh.
The thing is, I'm eating foods in their raw and natural state. I'm eating primarily beef, mostly things from cows, raw cheese.
No, nobody tell them that the cows today do not exist in their natural state. The cows we are eating now are domesticated. This isn't anything like what we used to eat thousands of years ago, but okay, but now, and then he's saying he eats raw cheese, raw butter. Tell me where our caveman ancestors were eating butter and cheese. I love me some cheese. Love butter too. I just don't want to raise my apolipoprotein B and die of a heart attack. But hey, tastes amazing. And I love me some cheese. But saying it's like ancestral, okay, bro.
I can't really get my hands on raw milk, but when I do, I definitely have raw milk. 2 pounds of ground beef a day. And if I could get my hands on some organs, some raw heart, even some raw testicles, then trust me.
Oh, I bet he gets his hands on some raw testicles, all right. I mean, this is very new to me. He's saying calories don't exist. That's like saying seconds don't exist or miles per hour don't exist. Is it something you can physically touch? No, it is a unit of measurement. And the energy that we are referring to, the calories, because calories literally are energy, it is referring to the potential energy stored in the chemical bonds of food that the process of digestion, absorption, and metabolism use to extract that energy and put it into a form in the body that is usable. And that is done through glycolysis, the Krebs cycle, and oxidative phosphorylation to produce adenosine triphosphate, which ATP is your body's energy currency. And I'm sorry, but when we put people in metabolic wards and we track exactly what they eat and we track exactly how many calories they burn, it is almost always exactly what we predict. So yes, calories are a thing, just like miles per hour are a thing, just like seconds are a thing. What should not be a thing is that broccoli-headed hair. Does anybody else hate that new hairstyle? Anyways, see ya.